my people, I don't come again. No, hey, this time I come with another tori. Oh, this one na bomb, and now I don't carry to come bomb now. So I also say now there to chase this one. I won't give you now because I need a full chest to chase this news. So my people, wait till I carry come tell now today. Now fruit seller where they catch. When they use the same knife where they take sell in market, they scrape in dirty food in yama leg. If you scrape and finish, go use the knife they take sell market. Now the tori I carry come give you so. But before we go the tori this thing now, I want making a quick follow me watch this video before we begin to judge this matter. So men are they watch am.
It's not for you to do rape, it's not for you to build hospitals. This money is for you to
Hey, this one tire me. Oh, I don't see this video. In a watch time, I see the Aboki, the foolish man. That man, only kure, go die better. Oh, see as he won't keep person children, won't keep people. Now him no go die better. Oh, because this thing where you do na out of witchcraft. Nothing where witchcraft no be. You must not fly before you be witch. Oh, witchcraft can come in any kind of means. You won't keep people. Now poison. Sometimes I'm going to tell some kind of people, if now want buy something, may now buy something from all this Aboki man. In fact, and they vex like this, so all this Aboki, now you make with the call the Aboki. If they call the Aboki, they're going to vex, they frown their face. So I see black like what I don't know. So I see yama leg, they smell. Now he carry knife, they scrape in leg. If he scrape and finish, go come clean am for him clothes like this. Don't be say get water to wash am. Even if he get water to wash himself, it's very, very disgusting. Now, if I take there for slap the man to away, go enter that gutter where they face him. Now, very stupid. The man when they even did the video, why they not slap him? Throw in life like that go. Even you, in fact, some people not be every kind thing that the video. First, skip the video first. If you pan and beat and finish, make sure say you get some kind wound where we say for in life you not go ever forget them quick. Before you not come find people. I see the beat and say people will come the video the scene. As not video if I was leave and come treat him fuck up small. They just video allow the idiots, they are Pokemon there like that. Still they poison some kind people there. See what they use knife they do. Some people, if now want buy fruits, if now reach house, buy. If you dey market, buy them in full like that. Go your house, use your knife, take cut them by yourself. Use your utensils, kitchen utensils. Now, no time they talk about the utensils. Now, all this na knife, na spoon in a kitchen, all those na cutlery, all of them like that. If you arrange them, wash your food, put them for table. Now you know as you need reach. When you cut your thing, you begin to chop your thing. But some kind lazy slave queens wey we get these days, they go just say, Aboki, give me two. Now so they just they carry the yama thing they give knife. Now this house now don't they cry my belly. Hey village people, my village people don't come oh. Now you call your village people by yourself. They take their hand or you go meet Aboki people to give you fruits. You don't go out, go chop. Not be more say you go chop the one where they don't cut. If you don't get money, oh your longer throat. When you get money, you go buy the big one there your house. Sit down, balance, cut them. If you not finish them to one, or you find people will never chop. Find motherless will share am with them. Make them not using a hand they causing a problem. Buhari, wawa on Buhari oh na Buhari people. If you ask her now, if you man no talk some one kind thing before you go say this woman don't come again. No. Buhari dey in all of us in different means, different behaviors. See as the Aboki man want just make people die for nothing. Because now in leg, you will not know how infectious that leg dey. You don't know where you don't use that leg. Waka put. We don't know the last time where you don't even bath. You carry the knife, they scrape that yama leg. After I go come cut them, clean them, cut fruits they sell give person. The one wey go even vex me pass now maybe if orange dey there, if not be say na watermelon, if they don't peel the orange finish, they can't use the knife, slice and fiam, they'll give you for that today. You don't put them for your mouth. Oh, it tastes yummy. So my dear people, make we dey learn lessons. So as we don dey bring all these things, all these updates they giving us, so I know say na dey learn some kind lessons. So make we leave our village people. Not be everything we go dey call village people. Now na Aboki oh. Now Aboki be these village people now. You don't come carry knife now, cut down in leg. Only God know your own mission for this country now. What would they make you come add your own put? Maybe they don't tell am say make e share the disease or the infection wey e get for im leg give thousands of people. E don come dey scrape im leg, come dey cut watermelon dey give. Some kind people now, as that man dey video that thing, you go see person wey go waka come now come buy. Aboki, I wan buy watermelon. You go say how much? You say 100 naira, 150. Na so you go say okay. You go do the knife like this. Whether maybe they comot dust. Na im leg o. You don put am for im clothes. You don cut am. Pium pium pium. Say give you, you carry, e don leak. Some people no dey even wash the watermelon. May God help us for this country where we dey o, because the matter wey dey here, e tire us. As the problem dey come, na so we go dey chest am with our full chest. As e dey come, we go dey digest. As e dey come, we go dey collect the thing dey go. But in all, may God protect each and every one of us. So as we dey for this country, so nobody dey safe. Everybody gets problem o. But make the one wey no big pass us, make e no come face us. So make una no forget to dey subscribe. Make una no forget to dey like, to dey comment, to dey share. E dey say so dey give una the direction. So make una dey follow am, dey obey o. Obey the instruction to see our next video. Stay tuned for the next video. I love you all. Bye.